come here. This is no big secret, but I think that some people don't know this now. I thought that the Supreme Court ruling concerning TPS, specifically the Haitians and the Syrians, what's going on currently, what's being talked about currently in the headline, Haitians TPS, right? I thought the ruling would be 5-4. I thought Amy Coney Barrett would side with the other justices, Sotomayor, Kagan, Brown. Just this time, I thought so, but I was wrong. It was not 5-4. I still thought that Trump would get this win. I just didn't think Amy Coney Barrett would vote with what we will call the conservative justices. But she did. Now, why did I think this would be an exception? It's just something I find interesting. That's all. This lady is a justice. She's a justice, and she can vote the way she wants, right? I mean, who am I? Social nurse. That's who I am. I've just got an opinion. Let's get into it. This justice and her husband chose to adopt children from Haiti. The couple chose Haiti for adoption due to the country's profound poverty and its close geographic proximity to the United States. Listen, it is what it is, but they adopted Vivian and John. Vivian was adopted in 2004 at 14 months old. She had some health issues when she arrived to the United States as a baby, as a 14-month-old. But today she's fully recovered, grew up to be a competitive track athlete, and has no issues currently, right? But when she was adopted, she suffered from rickets and she was severely malnourished. They were unsure if she would talk normally. There are no speech issues today. And if she's a track athlete, there's no issues that resulted from rickets, right? John is the other adopted child from Haiti. He joined the family in 2010 following the devastating earthquake in Haiti. Earthquake, right? Wow. This is interesting to me. This is interesting to me. A little background. The Barrett family had initially attempted to adopt John prior to 2010, but the paperwork was stalled. Following the earthquake, the U.S. Department of State, the U.S. State Department, fast-tracked certain international adoption requirements, allowing just the Barretts to adopt this child, right? I'm stumbling more than usual. I typically stumble, right? During my commentaries. I'm not the best speaker, right? But I'm thinking I'm doing a little worse during this commentary because I'm just, I thought it would be 5-4, but, you really can't base the way people on the Supreme Court behave based on their family or their heritage, right? Can anyone say Clarence Thomas? A lot of people can't stand that man, right? A lot of people can't stand his Supreme Court ideology. But I'm just reporting. I'm just reporting. Any thoughts? Social nurse.